Now we are moving to our next part, that is the presentation of delegates. At first, I would like to invite Miss Kliret Terangpi. I hope she's here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. At first, let me introduce you at first. Okay. Our first delegate is Miss Kliret Terangpi. She is a research scholar from the Department of Botany, Assam Bosco University of India. And she is interested in nature and the way people interact with the nature. Now I am inviting her to present her presentation.
Can I start?
Yeah. Please share your screen and go ahead.
Visible?
Yeah, ma'am, you are visible, but your screen is not sharing still now.
I already share it.
Yeah, now it's shared. Yeah.
Can I start then?
Yeah, of course.
Good morning and very good afternoon to everyone present here today. So I'm going to be talking about the importance of conservation of as previously in another session we have talked about the traditional knowledge or the indigenous knowledge. So basically today I'm going to be presenting on how important plant knowledge is among the Karbi community. So and why it is needed to preserve them or conserve them. So as we know that India is have been dependent on plants or traditional medicines for many ages, and in the northeast region of India, there are many different types of tribal communities. It has been reported that there is 180 major tribal communities in India. So these tribal communities uses this traditional knowledge or the knowledge medicine to healthcare to livelihood as such. So this my main study or short review for this presentation was on the Karbi Anglong district, which is located in Assam. So the major tribal communities in Karbi Anglong is Karbi. So this Karbis have I'm gonna be speaking in all this perspective. They have land many plants for food or medicine. Which important for the Karbi community. So this Jamli Atong is which is culture is usually crafted or used by the Karbi community during the death ceremony, which is known as Manka, which is one of the most expensive festivals. This Chomankan is used for Chomankan is celebrated and so that they get to the village that the altar, which is known as the Chomar. This land are related to the cultural identity that is really carved from a specific tree that is from recreating our, which as in the language. So next important culture or the next important ceremony of Karbi community is Nazarika, which is a religious as well as a ritual ceremony for the Karbi communities because it is carried out for the well of now this the Karbi doesn't have any idols or dignities to worship. Instead, they believe that every tree or every living being in the environment have a spiritual being or a spirit being living in. So for a specific or particular person, which is known as Krusar. These Krusar only who can perform this important ring ceremony, which is known as sacred. And as hard or alcohol beverages is very important for the Caribbean community because from
Miss Kliret, Miss Kliret,
celebration,
hello, Miss
Yes, sir.
Kliret,
Yes,
please,
sir.
I interrupt you, please. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
switch off your video? Can you switch off your video so that the data is not overused? Just switch off the video, only video, not the PPT. Hello. You are completely switched off.
Hello.
Yes.
Oh,
Please
yeah,
speak
I got
without
muted by the
video.
host.
Please speak without
Okay.
video.
Sorry, sir.
Just use the mic and your PPT, okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't use video, okay? Yes.
Sir, can you, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. It's visible. It's
Can I
visible.
continue then? Oh, thank you. Okay. Alcohol beverages important for our webs and
Please go
celebration,
to
many
the.
ceremonies.
Sorry, I'm interrupting. Please go to the presentable slide. Please go to the slide. Which one
It's
you are
already
presenting? Yes, and yes,
it's already
yes,
showing my screen.
it's all right.
So now I'm being muted and getting interrupted again and again, ma'am.
Okay, now you are audible.
Oh, okay. Is my screen visible then at least, ma'am?
No, your screen,
Or
your
again,
presentation is not visible.
ma'am. Now, ma'am.
No, your screen. Yeah. Now your screen is visible. Please go to the slide. Which one you are presenting?
Already, ma'am, I'm in the slide.
Yeah, but it's showing your introductory slides only. Yeah, right. Yeah. Now it's visible, your presentable slide.
It's the network, ma'am. It's so I'll just continue to, ma'am. So there are two types of alcohol beverages prepared by the culture, which is known as horror or horak specifically. Now, horror lang or the basically which means alcohol is is the most commonly prepared and which is still as difficult the culture for which rituals develop. Now, in which is an important festival of the which holds a cultural identity for the Karbi tribe, it is customary or important to store this hor alang only in the dry shell of the bottle gourd of Langernaria sicaria. So the smaller size of the bottle is used for this religious ceremony, which is known as sekarkli, which is known as bongso. Now, I would like to sum up and tell that as we can see that this tribe have a very close relationship with the plants, and and for many cultural or for many social ceremonies, these plants are incorporated into this festivals or ceremonies, and it is but other than that, all various of these plants species or plants are also used as medicine and as other than that as food. But the main problem or the obstacle of maintaining this cultural knowledge or this traditional knowledge is that there is almost none or little written literature or documents about the traditional knowledge, and which should be documented so that the cultural identity or the traditional knowledge can be maintained for the long run. And the Karbi communities are mostly previously or from ancestors, the Karbi communities are they mostly stay in hilly areas, but due to search of better opportunities or for better lives, they have started to move to the plain areas. But what is for this they have like for all this knowledge have been accumulated from ancestors, and they have been passed down, and even today in the hill areas, this knowledge are still, you can still see them being utilized in their daily life. Now, other than that, they have many customs and traditions. The Karbi tribe have many customs and tradition, and which is very diverse. So there is a need to preserve them or conserve them, and so that the cultural identity of the Karbis are maintained. And since we can say that indirectly they are protecting the plants, because it's important for their various purposes and for their cultural identity, but at the same time it is imbalance, like the effort to preserve them or conserve them is imbalanced, because the uses of this plant species is more compared to preserving them. So there's a need to search for new techniques or methods to conserve them, so that they can be this plant species or this cultural identity will be maintained for the future generation or in the long run. So as I have stated, that the Jamli Atong is the main cultural identity, traditional symbols of the Karbi tribe. So they are incorporated in the traditional, as you can see in the picture, that they are incorporated in the traditional mufflers of the Karbi, and even in today's time in modern attire, the Jamli Atong, which is the cultural identity, is incorporated into the modern attire. And these are the various plants, or would say plants, part of the plants that is used for the performing the important traditional or ritual ceremony, which is known as the sekarkli. As you can see there, the banana leaves or the a particular bamboo species, which is known as in the local language as kaipo, is specifically used for this sekarkli. And as we can see in the third picture, that hor alang is poured into this bongso. And in the fourth picture, we can see canariums, the resin of the Canarium resiniferium, or known as tuna, which is used or in the local language as hijo. Yeah, okay.
I'm interrupting. You have only 1 minute, please.
Oh, okay. I'll sum it up. So these are the important, and for the preparation of, as I have said, that horror is very important for the, or alcohol beverage is very important in various traditional and cultural identity ceremonies of Karbi. So in this picture, we can see the various steps or methods of making the alcohol beverages. And the traditional attire of the Karbi woman, as you can see in this picture, this Karbi woman is wearing peacock. Now, peacock is the lower clothing of the Karbi woman. And these are some of the reference that I have used, and thank you. I'll stop it.
Thank you, ma'am. You were in time, and you presented very nicely. Very appreciable presentation was. You told about that the plants are very important for traditional system of medicine. Yes, I agree with you that the traditional knowledge and traditional practices are very much important, though they are going down day by day. We have learned many local terms, and it's really was a sharing of culture and knowledge actually. Okay, thank you so much.